Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this lovely look we have here. So I started off by washing my hair and making sure it was clean and a little bit wet. And then I went in with the Camille Rose Curlaid pomade and putting that all through my hair to make sure that it is all totally covered. And then I'm going ahead with my oils. Now this is jojoba oil, argan oil and some castor oil. And then I'm going to go to my skin prep. This is Drops of Light by The Body Shop. And I'm putting that serum all over my face and my neck. Drops of Light is quite good range. Kind of gives you a really nice glow. I'm now going in with the Brightening Day Cream. And I'm putting that all over my face. Drops of Light is a really good range if you are looking to clear your skin. It's a really good range. So now we have clean skin. I'm going in with Mario Badescu spray. And then I'm just going to moisturize my lips. Now we're ready for makeup. So to start, I'm starting with my eyebrows. And I'm going in with the Mabrook brow pencil. And I'm lightly shading in light hair-like strokes to fill in my brows. Now notice I'm going in very, very light because I don't want it to look blocky. And also this Mabrook brow pencil is quite dark and I don't really like dark brows. So I'm going in with it quite lightly and I'm on to the next brow, just trying to create hair-like strokes on the brow. And then I'm going to go in to conceal, and today I'm using Fawn concealer with my Kevyn Acoin in SX12 and Fawn LA Girl Pro, of course. I've mixed those two together and I am just very, very carefully concealing under my eyebrow. Once I've gone with a thin line, I like to spread it down and try as much as possible to make sure that the concealer is flat. Now that I've done that, I'm going in with my Crown brush. It's a fluffy brush. And I'm just blending out all of the concealer into my eyelid. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye. Brows are cousins. They are not twins. So they're not even sisters. Just thought I'd say that. Now I'm going ahead and putting on the foundation. And I'm using the Rodial Diamond Foundation today in the shade 90. I'm pressing that all over my face with my fluffy brush. I'm going in now with my concealer under my eyes, and the concealer I'm using today is the LA Girl Pro in the color Fawn. And I'm using my Nubian Beauty blending sponge to blend that all underneath my eyes. As you can see, I'm pressing in the product, and I feel that that gives me a more even tone, allows me to have a seamless look so that when I put the powder on top, it literally just melts in. And now I am going ahead and putting on the powder. I'm using the Laura Mercier Translucent powder. Now I'm going to go ahead with my eyes, and I'm using the PLouise blank canvas all over my lid. As you can see, I'm patting it all over my eyelid. I'm going in with a orange shade from a palette that I'm really sorry I don't have the name of. I bought it at an IMAX show a while back. I'm just doing like a purpley orangey base just to give me something to work with. Now I'm going ahead with my Zulu palettes by Juvias Place, and I'm using the purpley pinky shades in that palette all over my lid. As you can see, I'm literally just blending in a purpley pinky orangey canvas. I decided to amp it up a little bit, and so I went back in with my blank canvas and added this shimmery pinky gold in the center. Now I'm going ahead and putting on some Inglot pigment powder and then just buffing everything out with a yellow eyeshadow. And what the yellow eyeshadow does is it literally gives the transition color a seamless effect. I'm going ahead and I'm pressing in the leftover translucent powder from under my eyes to give a flawless look. And now I'm going ahead and putting on my eyeliner under eyes and over eyes. Next we contour using the Sleek Contour Palette. Clearly feeling myself. I'll go over and brush everything in to make sure we have seamless finish. And I'm going in with my lip color, and I've used Colourpop all over my lips, and I've actually added a little bit of concealer just to give it a little bit more nudie look. And now I'm just adding in my highlighter, which is Gerard Cosmetics, and then lining my lips with matte chestnut. So this is the finished look. I hope you do like it. I did add lashes off camera. This is Bold Brushes lashes, and you can get those through his Instagram. I'll leave the details down below. I then decided to slick my hair back. A lot of you liked the afro, but yeah, this is just me slicking my hair back with a little halo braid on top of it. Let me know in the comments section which one you like best. Till next time, see you in the next video. Bye.